Our Car Builders Premium Underbonnet is a 5.5mm thick, dense, needle punched, 100% black fabric. Sheet size is 1 metre by 1500. You will notice a little bit of runoff here where the sheet sizes are actually around 1600 wide, but the actual glue finish is 1.5. So if you need to squeeze a little bit extra width or length, you've got that ability. The peel and stick backing, you can see here. Now this is a silicone coated paper. It's silicone coated on one side. You need to be mindful that if you allow the reverse side to touch it, it's going to stick. So as you work through your process, it might be worth texturing on here so you know which side is which. The other thing you're going to need is a decent pair of scissors. This is a set of trimmer shears made by the company Mundile. Now they're a high quality scissor with a serrated edge. They're going to allow you to cut this really easy. What you will find as you cut the adhesive is over time the adhesive is going to build up on your blade, so you're going to want to keep wiping that down as you work through to make sure you've got a nice sharp set of scissors. If you try and use a knife, you're going to struggle. If you try and use a cheap pair of scissors, you're going to struggle. So it's worth getting your hands on a decent set of shears to do this. Another tool you're going to want to use to do the install is something like this application roller. The domed edge on this is going to allow you to roll into all these complex joints. With a pressure sensitive adhesive contact, the material relies on you putting enough pressure on it to compress the material and get the adhesive to bite down. So you can use your application roller and wheel it on to get that contact. Another little trick I wanted to point out to you is this adhesive contact. If you touch the adhesive down without putting too much pressure on, you've got the ability to peel it off. Once you've pushed it down, it's good night, you're not going to peel it off. Something else to notice also is when you get your material and it's got this plastic paper backing on it, it won't move as far as it's not going to extend. Once you peel the backing off, you've got the ability to stretch the material to a degree. So you'll find that flowing it into different forms and shapes, you're going to get some growth, or you're going to allow it to compress it to a degree that you're not going to get any buckles or puckers. That's what makes this product unique, and that's what you're going to love about it. Another one is finishing it. If you cut the edge, and a good example here is you try and cut it neat and you end up with areas like this that have got steps in them. What you can do is get a heat gun, wave over the edge, and you'll find that'll melt the fibres back, that you'll get a nice neat finish.